Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how I go about on removing the camshaft sensors. This is bank 1. I have marked it just in case. I don't think it makes any difference, but anyway, this is a 5mm Allen bolt, and yeah, exactly the same here on bank 2. So it's really simple, but I'm gonna do this and show you anyway. So just loosen this. I'm gonna loosen the other side as well. I don't need the ratchet anymore, so I'm gonna undo them by hand. So yeah, just loosen this bolt. I'm gonna put the bolt back in place anyway, because I don't want to end up losing stuff. I might actually paint it. It's tight. There is some sort of a seal. Yeah, there is a rubber green seal. And gently, apparently they're very expensive. I haven't priced them. Hopefully I'll not be breaking anything today. But yeah, that's your camshaft sensor. And that's the bolt that I've just dropped. So the bolt is going in its place, and I'm gonna do the other side now. That's the other side done. I'm gonna put the O-ring on it just so I don't end up losing it again. That's it. That's your cam sensor. Bank 1. I've marked it here. B1. And the Allen bolt back in place. Camshaft sensor bank 1, camshaft sensor bank 2.